How do you keep your flag flying proudly through the night without the hassle of trenching, wiring, electricians, and ongoing high energy bills? Hi, this is Jason from Access Fixtures. Today we're exploring APOL, an 18-watt solar flagpole light. Designed for effortless installation and 360-degree performance, APOL ensures your flags and monuments are never left in the dark. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Why settle for a dim solar light that fades by midnight? The APOL isn't your average hardware store solar light. With a high-output 16-watt solar panel and a massive 100-lumen delivery, it's engineered for those who need commercial-grade brightness that actually lasts until dawn. Can your current lighting setup handle year-round exposure to wind, rain, and snow? Built with a rugged ABS body and an IP65 rating, the APOL is designed for everything from municipal parks to high-visibility corporate flagpoles, operating reliably in temperatures from -10 to 60 degrees Celsius, which is 14 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. How do you ensure every inch of your flag is illuminated, regardless of which way the wind is blowing? Proper planning for flagpole lighting requires 360-degree coverage. The APOL features a unique three-head design, providing full-circle illumination that a single headlight simply can't match. What makes the APOL a standout in solar technology? It features high-performance SMD 2835 LEDs and a 120-degree optic system. This combination maximizes light distribution, while the PET solar panel efficiently converts sunlight into power for the internal lithium-ion battery. Why settle for static lighting when you can control the narrative? APOL redefines versatility with 3 independently adjustable heads. Whether you're spotlighting a flag above, a monument below, or providing a full 360-degree wash, you have the power to direct every lumen exactly where it's needed, with zero wasted light. Do you want a lighting system that truly thinks for itself? The APOL features integrated day-to-night detection. It automatically triggers at dusk and shuts off at dawn, ensuring your power is conserved during the day and fully utilized when the sun goes down. What are the most common questions we get about going solar with APOL? First, what is the expected runtime on a single solar charge? Powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery and a 16-watt solar panel, the APOL 18-watt solar flagpole light is engineered for consistent dusk-to-dawn performance. Even on a single day's charge, the high-efficiency LEDs, 145 lumens per watt, ensure your flag remains fully illuminated throughout the night, automatically transitioning off at sunrise. Second, what does the light look like? APOL emits a 6000 Kelvin cooled daylight white. With a CR1 of 80+, it's specifically tuned to make the colors of your flag pop with high contrast clarity, even from a distance. And third, is the battery replaceable? Yes. The system utilizes a high-capacity lithium-ion battery designed for long cycle life. Between the replaceable power cell and our 5-year warranty, this fixture is built to be a permanent fixture in your landscape, not a disposable one. Think you need a bucket truck or a professional climber to install this? Think again. The APOL is designed for a no-climb installation. Using a secure bracket and metal band system, it mounts easily to the middle of the pole at eye level, then slides into position for a fast, safe setup. Ready to give your flag the spotlight it deserves? APOL delivers precision, durability, and compliance in one sleek package. Designed for high output performance, it provides a long-lasting, solar-powered solution for your flagpole lighting projects. To learn more or request a quote, visit accessfixtures.com or call 800-468-9925.